Oh yeah.
If I ever have a heart attack and you're accompanying me to
wanted to do something different and not be sitting at home alone. Wanted to meet new people and let our creativity flow.
I came to Gwanwyn. Lots of people came saying that they wanted to make friends, but actually I came because I wanted to discover if I had any ability to make anything creative, because I never had an opportunity to play with clay or collage or paint or anything. I was always just wordy. So I decided to come to Gwanwyn to find out if I could make anything and if I was good at anything. And I'm absolutely delighted to find that I can. And I've made some things which I'm really proud of.
I was interested in writing and the idea of doing something for creative writing. I've done a number of courses in the past, but I've never been so intrigued and inspired as I have been in this situation.
I just got to do something. I've always got to do something. And having finished my scenic work, or the scenic work has left me, I was desperate to keep drawing and painting. And this was an absolute, and the writing part of it was like the cherry on the cake.
I just love art and I do a lot at home, but coming here it was a chance to meet other people who did the same sort of thing and have all the materials to hand.
Creative writing. I was a disgruntled writer. I was fed up, I couldn't get anything published, so I stopped writing altogether. Came to the first lesson, it was creative writing, so I thought I'll give it another go. And I went home and started writing my autobiography.
The thing I liked best was making the fold-out books, because I made everything in the screen printing and the pictures and the collage, and then I put all the little things together into a book. And I kept all the little scraps, and I made pictures out of the little scraps, and I really liked using up all the little bits, all the little snips and things. And I carried on making it at home and enjoyed it so much I made another one.
Creative writing, actually, surprisingly, because it's something that I'd done all my life and never done anything with it. Damian was so encouraging that it made me really think seriously about it instead of just pushing it in a drawer.
Well, yes, I was completely confused and bewildered by the computer session, but I found it very instructive and remarkable, really, that so much can be achieved these days.
It surprised me that I had the ability to do so many things.
I've discovered a creativity I always wished I had. I thought I never did.